Hi, welcome all of you on Yourpedia education platform, and you are watching on Yourpedia detailed information related to various opportunities in the higher education in foreign universities. So when I say higher education, we are providing you information related to very good MS masters courses available abroad after BTech and PhD courses after MTech, and after PhD postdoctorate fellowships and jobs available related to these domains. So whether you are BTech or you are MTech or you are PhD or you are working somewhere, you are working professional, there are opportunities available for very good funding. Very good funding is also available in foreign universities, but the condition is that you must have done work related to that area. So if you ask me what is the criteria to get into foreign universities or very good universities for earning money or getting very good career, answer is you should have knowledge. You should have knowledge of that domain for which they are looking for you, because they will go for technical interview or something where you have to tell that what you have done. Now BTech to MS, knowledge, much knowledge is not required. Technical knowledge they don't expect. BTech to MS, so you should have particular CGPA, you should have knowledge of English as a language, communication should be good, which some of the universities will ask you to go for TOEFL, IELTS score, etc. And then you have to apply, but you should be ready to spend 15 lakh for Europe and 25 lakh for UK and 30 lakh for US, something like that. That is for MS. For PhD, because program is basically funded program, PhDs are funded. In PhD you earn the money. So scholarship is given to you, and very good scholarships are also offered. But remember that in PhD they expect that you should know something, and many opportunities keep on popping up every month, every week, and Yourpedia is providing you detailed information about that. In fact, we are going to soon start a dedicated channel on this, because there are so many opportunities which we want to share on this channel. It looks like we cannot share many informations, so dedicated domain we are going to create for that also. Now this today's video is related to one such opportunity which has popped up and looks like very good opportunity, and that is for those students who are from mechanical, civil, aerospace, energy science and other branches who have done work related to computational fluid dynamics. So in this particular opportunity, which is there in the University of British Columbia, that is in Canada, so in this particular opportunity, you should be masters. BTech people cannot apply. You should be masters in biomechanical engineering, aerospace engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, or some related more engineering domains are also available. You should have knowledge of CFD, computational fluid dynamics, CAD software. You should have meshing tool of CFD, you should be good at Python, C++, OpenFOAM. ये जितने भी नाम लिखे हुए हैं, when you ask me कि सर MTech में हम क्या सीखें, so हर यूनिवर्सिटी, हर अपॉर्चुनिटी में लिखा होगा that this is expected from you. And what is expected from you? CFD का नॉलेज, मैशिंग टूल फॉर CFD, OpenFOAM, C++, Python, C लैंग्वेज, यही सब चीज़ आपको आनी चाहिए. आपने मास्टर्स में इसको किया होगा, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर मैनी ऑफ यू मस्ट बी गुड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. नाउ हमारे पास कंप्यूटेशनल फ्लूइड डायनेमिक्स में फुली फंडेड PhD पोजीशंस हैं, पोजीशंस अवेलेबल हैं इस यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर, एंड दीज आर द प्रोफेसर्स हु आर लुकिंग फॉर basically students in for PhD program, international students for PhD programs. So you can basically go to this university and see their profile also, what they want, though they have very clearly mentioned what they want. So let's go to this university and find out what actually is expected. Read this position clearly, you should read this in detail. It is saying that aerosol based disease ट्रांसमिशन इन इंडोर एनवायरनमेंट, उसके लिए उनको अलग अलग स्पेशलाइजेशन के लोग चाहिए. आपको पता है ना, कोविड है वो एयर एरोसोल से फैलता है. आपने छींक मारा और उसमें एयर में उसके चले गए, वायरस चला गया और फिर दूसरे को हो जाएगा. अब ये पूरे का पूरा फ्लूइड डायनेमिक्स का एनालिसिस है, जिसमें डॉक्टर इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड, इंजीनियर इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड, एंड बेसिकली इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी टीम इज रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक द सर्च. सो दिस इज व्हाट दे मेंशन. The present position is related to aerosol based disease transmission in indoor environment. अब जो लोग अभी अभी ज्वाइन किया है जिन्होंने मास्टर्स एंड दे से कि सर प्रोजेक्ट कौन सा करें, यहाँ से तुम्हें आइडिया भी लगेगा इन विच डायरेक्शन यू कैन थिंक ऑफ डूइंग योर प्रोजेक्ट. एंड presently this is a main trouble, you know, COVID is a main situation nowadays in India and abroad, you know. So this is the, when you do your research work related to the real world problem and you solve the problem, then that gives you mileage in the research. So this they have mentioned that they are working on this. So there will be basically a cluster of research, basically research excellence, and they will be working on that particular domain. Okay, so the main purpose is to break transmission of respiratory infection to make healthcare delivery safer, right? So they want experts in computational fluid dynamics, multi-phase flow, immunology, health technology, dentistry, public health, epidemiology, surgery, anesthesiology, if I am pronouncing it correctly. So ये सारा interdisciplinary team is required, जिसमें engineering domain, computational fluid dynamics is required. So these professors are working, and what is the main purpose is there has to be a simulation which will help identify how air moves through a space, how the air is moving through a space, how aerosols are transported and deposited, and how the room design, location of equipment and type of medical procedure performed in the various rooms and room ventilation performance affect airborne disease transmission. So if you ask me that, sir, I am doing my masters in fluid engineering or energy science or mechanical engineering or civil engineering or chemical engineering, I am doing my masters, what should be the best project? They have already mentioned the project. What is the project? Okay, I will go for a simulation study to identify how air moves through a space or how aerosol are transported and deposited. इसी के ऊपर मैं project कर सकता हूँ अपना, और how the how the room ventilation performance affect airborne disease transmission. Effect of room ventilation or transmission of airborne disease. Don't you think this is going to be the most relevant project for those students who have just joined the master's course? And from the very beginning you should have idea that once I complete my master's, I should basically work on in particular domain in which I am expert, and this is a real world problem. So how the room ventilation or different parameter in the room are going to affect the transmission of airborne disease. और एक टर्म जो आ रहा है aerosols उसमें आप incorporate कर दो. If you do your project something like that, lot of research is going on in many universities in related to that domain. So what you should have master's degree in mechanical, civil, biochemical, aerospace engineering or related domains. What is expected from you? Yes, you should be interested in fluid mechanics, computational fluid dynamics, numerical simulations, parallel computing, biomechanics. This is what is required from you. You should have knowledge of coding experience in Python, C, C++. Many students say, sir, coding में interest नहीं है, मेरे को coding में नहीं जाना, sir, मेरे को तो core में जाना है. I ask you, define the core. Define what is a core branch for you. How do you define core branch? Do you call it core research or not? So knowledge of coding in C or C++ or Python, this is not core versus non-core का झगड़ा. This is the use of basically a technology to solve the real world problem. So use the coding knowledge of C++ and Python to resolve this problem, and maybe you will solve the problem of this airborne disease or respiratory disease, और जो इतना trouble चल रहा है world में, maybe you are in position to solve it. Create a hybrid model. So learn all these things, use coding in your engineering, create a hybrid model for you. You will get jobs in different domains. That is what you have to target. Understand? So you should have basically CFD experience. Strong skill in CAD software and meshing tool for CFD is required. And I tell you one more thing. If you have done any work related to this domain, any work, and you think that you have done work related to this, get in contact with executive of YourPedia, because we have CFD experts with us, mentors. They will guide you very well. They will help you to apply there, and you will get this scholarship for sure if you have some knowledge related to this. लेकिन ये चीज़ तुम्हें आना चाहिए, CFD का knowledge होना चाहिए. CFD का knowledge mentor तुम्हें YourPedia का नहीं सिखाएगा, लेकिन अगर तुम्हें CFD का knowledge है, next level पे वो तुम्हें ले जाएगा कि हाँ तुम ऐसा लिखो, ये तुमसे पूछा जाएगा, ऐसे तुम research proposal बनाओ, ऐसा तुम cover letter बनाओ, ये चीज़ अपना research में लिखो, and that will basically be the provided to you, knowledge will be provided to you. Okay, now this entire thing is required from you. International applicants you can apply, and 1st September से तुम्हारा ये सारे का सारा program will start. So I think this is a PhD program and this is a mechanical aerospace, so सब में होगा, this we have discussed. This is the address at which you can apply, and some more projects, relevant projects on which PhDs are required is also given here. So this is all actually related to this domain. I think I have made my point clear to you. तो जिन students ने इस area में काम किया है and they are looking for PhD opportunities abroad, please talk to our mentors, and obviously we have Google form, you can fill that form, our executives will get back to you. But if your work is very relevant to this, these opportunities keep on popping up, you have to apply as soon as possible for these opportunities. It does not cost you much, but yes, the probability is very high, and if you apply, the probability which I have seen is if you apply in 5-6 places abroad, 1 to 2 places से तुम्हें कॉल आ जाता है, इंटरव्यू होता है, इंटरव्यू की अच्छी तैयारी करोगे तो कन्वर्ट भी हो जाता है. सो एवरी स्टूडेंट हु इज डूइंग मास्टर्स एंड ही इज डूइंग गुड वर्क will get PhD opportunities abroad with good scholarship. Probability is very high. Keep watching all the videos related to foreign admission on Yourpedia, and we are going to make it very extensive, very exhaustive, and lot of opportunities we are going to explore on here. Thank you.